Yeah, she came into some, and she's up there, up higher. In video.
Oh, that's funny.
Push her. Turn.
Oh, I'm sure it's so wild.
Queen.
Yeah, Kaylee, keep on going. Yay! Good job!
Nice run for Kaylee, 29848.
Okay, this is Zane Hughes.
Have some more here with their eye toy.
Turn.
Yeah, come with us tomorrow.
Nice.
Oh, we're gonna stay over and then they're gonna.
Good morning.
Yeah. Got here about 12:30.
Would have been a 226.
Turn. Go. Yes.
No time.
Push him.
Good try, Jen.
Beautiful.
Put him tomorrow.
It's okay.
After the arena's clear, we're going to go with 5 West Josser, 6 Megan Paul, 7 Tucken Anderson.
2 hands. You got it. Go. Let's go. Push her.
She saw that. Is she hurt?
McCray came down a little early as well. Let's get things changed for these bull riders going. We've got 4 to go. 4 more to go before we jump on
Nice run for Paisley, 21347. 21.
Yeah, Kaylee.
Faster.
Yeah.
Good job, girl.
Push her. Yes. Go. Turn. Turn her again. Push her home.
15.86. 15.
21.828.
Go, Sage. Push her. Push him. Push.
17.410, 17.410.
.30, 13.30. Number 13, Zane Hughes, 14, Matthias Berry, 15, Rigdon Bloomfield.
It's going to take a no time today, but way to make them do it. Good job.
Into the arena.
Number 24, Rich Stark, 25, Court Revers, 26, McCoy Sweat. Back down. No time.
Go, Paisley! Go! And now she's heading home.
Paisley's time is a 17.156. 7.
Toby Blayton, second Tate Woodburton, Warburton, and Zane Hughes, third place. Good job, boys.
Go, Kaylee!
Good job, kids.
Push her! Turn!
Oh, turn.
Bring her home!
Good job, my love. Perfect run. 27.901 to 7.90.
Go, Sage, yes! Push her! Push him! It's okay!
No time. Next up is 13, Wyatt Reese, and that will round out the headers. So this is Wyatt Reese, and then we're going to go to the heelers. 1 Tip Thomas, 2 Run Brown, 3 Austin Walnut.
All right, we're gonna skip down to 7, Tate Warburton. Number 7, Tate Warburton. Here we go. Push her! Good job. Go, go, go.
Beautiful run, Bailey. 23.561 to 3 point.
All right, our first bareback rider to go is Thane Kelly. He's riding steer 295.
Nice run, 21381.
16.18, 16.18. Good job, Tibbs. Number 2, Quaylen Hughes. 3, Rustin Bergen. 4, Tate Christiansen.
Yes. Push her.
Yay, go Kate!
Woo! Go!
Could we have someone down there getting the horses ready at the gate, please? Thank you.
All 21.
This is Quaylen. Good job, Riker. 14.18, 14.18. Let's change the goat, please. After we change the goat, 16, Tucker Anderson, 17, Zane Hughes, and 18, JJ Stevens. Goats look good. We're ready to go. This is number 6.
Go, Bailey. Push her.
Yeah, go girl.
Go.
Push her.
Push.
Yeah, she's a kick-in.
Yay, go girl.
Go.
Yeah.
Kick.
Oh, there she goes.
Yay. 18.278, 18.2.
Go, Paisley.
Number 33, Tatum Anderson, Della Joe Heiner, and Hadley Hunt.
Go. Kick, kick.